Hi everyone. Today we are going to review the 5 life-changing books you must read in this year 2022. Each book focuses on a particular skill which makes people successful in their life. They contain decades of knowledge and it's worth every second you spend on these books. So without further ado, let's get started. At number 1, Deep Work by Cal Newport. Deep work is on the importance of focused work in order to succeed in an increasingly distracted world. The crux of the book is that there are two kinds of work we do. One is shallow work, deep work. Shallow work is easy and ubiquitous. Any work which needs a little bit of time and focus, like replying to emails, social media presence, etc. These works are easy to replace and not valued much in society. And deep work is the ability to focus without distraction on a cognitively demanding task. Cultivating deep work ethic will help you focus for an extended period of time in producing better outcomes in less time. It's demanding and helps people provide valuable things to society that are hard to replicate or replace. The book is divided into two parts. Part 1 is about why deep work matters and its scientific backing. Part 2 is how to achieve deep work to increase productivity. So if your time and energy are being pulled in a million different directions and you're feeling overwhelmed, this is a must-read book for you. At number 2, we have Never Split the Difference by Chris Voss. The author worked in the FBI as a hostage negotiator, which brought him face to face with various criminals, including bank robbers and terrorists. With his vast experience, he breaks down everything into 9 effective principles that you can use to become more persuasive in both your professional and personal life. You might think negotiation skill is not necessary for you. However, life is a series of negotiations, and you negotiate all day, every day, from the time you wake up to the time you go to sleep. You should be prepared for buying a house, negotiating a salary, client interactions, negotiating rent, or deliberating with your partner. This is a great book with direct applications to day-to-day interactions with other people, including your family. It helps you sit through conflicts and tensions and figure out better solutions that result in better outcomes for you. In the end, this is a book about not just being good at negotiation, but being great in life. Never Split the Difference is deep wisdom conveyed with great humor, storytelling, and insight. Read it to be a more effective human. Next on our list is The Science of Storytelling by Will Stott. Stories are what makes us human, and in this book, Will Stott talks about the themes and characteristics that we need to use to become better storytellers. Storytelling is an integral part of human survival, and understanding how to put up a story to trigger emotional elements of mind to keep a viewer intrigued is what this book digs deep into. The book is divided into 4 chapters designed to look at the story through its various levels. The chapters are 1. Creating a world, 2. The flawed self, 3. The dramatic questions, and 4. Plots, endings, and meanings. Though writers and would-be writers are a primary audience for this book, its appeal is wider than that. Somewhat profoundly, it throws new light on the story of our own lives as well. So if you are interested in learning the art of storytelling, we highly recommend this book because it's written in a concise and inspiring way and it provides a lot of value. At the 4th spot, we have the book to help you improve your finances, The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. What's the best way to manage your money? That's a question that everyone has an answer for. But the right question is, what's the best way for you? And in comes the book, The Psychology of Money. Most books, when they analyze investment or financial management, focus solely on the technical part of it. But this book focuses on the human psychology element of investing and building up wealth over time. Through the lens of history and personal tales, the author teaches us the most profound insights on the psychology of money, what it means to us, how we spend and save and invest, how we connect who we are today and who we might be tomorrow. Morgan teaches you how to have a better relationship with money and to make smarter financial decisions. On top of it all, the book is a quick read with a big payoff. The last one on our list is one of Ray Dalio's masterpieces, Principles. If you are a person struggling with decision making, this book is for you. You might have come across many leadership and development books, but this book would hit you differently with its practical resources and mostly good narration. This book lets you take away important principles for your life, like systemizing your decision making, being radically open-minded, how to handle your weaknesses, a 5-step process to ultimate success, and learning how to synthesize well. Through this book, Ray Dalio explains how to solve a problem to get a token he calls principle, which enables him not to repeat the same mistake again. As said by Ray Dalio, the author, principles are fundamental truths that serve as the foundations for behavior that get you what you want out of life. This book should go to your must-read list if you want to be a successful entrepreneur, or if you are a striving employee who's dreaming of reaching greater heights, or even anyone who'd like to learn and adapt new principles in their life for a better future. That brings us to the end of the video. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment down below the name of the book you want to read first. We want to know. And stay tuned for more from Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.